Tahajjud, the time of the night when doors of mercy are opened, prayers are answered, and desires of those who ask are fulfilled. Cry out to the Almighty during the darkest hours of night and ask Him for everything your hearts desire. Tahajjud is a nafl or voluntary prayer. It is also known as Qiyam-u-Lail. It is the night prayer that is offered in order to attain mental strength and peace. The Tahajjud prayer is usually performed after the Isha, which is the compulsory night prayer, and prior to performing Fajr, which is the mandatory morning prayer. Sleeping is preferred to the performing Tahajjud, but it's not obligatory. For Tahajjud prayer, usually 2 rakats are considered sufficient. Prophet Muhammadﷺ used to perform nearly 13 rakats on a frequent basis. Here it is also important to remember that for Tahajjud prayer, rakats should be performed in prayers. Even though it's not obligatory prayer, but its astonishing result make it a very significant one. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Our Lord, the blessed and the exalted, descends every night to the lowest heaven. When 1/3 of the later part of the night is left, and says, 'Who will call upon me so that I may answer him? Who will ask me so that I may give him? Who will ask me forgiveness so that I may forgive him?'" Well, we all know nighttime prayers are full of blessings during this holy month of Ramadan, and we also have greater chances, and it is a lot of easier for us to offer tahajjud nowadays, as we already have to wake up for sahar. So try getting up little earlier and must offer tahajjud during these blessed nights of Ramadan.